And here it is, the DJI OM5. We're going to go ahead and open this fantastic little gimbal up and take a first look and get a first impression of the brand new model of the DJI OM5. And as we can see right out the gate, it has a selfie pole on it, so that could be quite a nice feature. Let's get into it. Bam! And there you have it. Just kidding. This is like your information. It's like just paperwork, user manual and such. And then inside we have the OM5 itself. We'll go ahead and pull that out, set it on the table. Inside you can see we have a tripod, the phone clip, a wrist strap, a charge cord, and a little rubber sticky thing. Is there anything else in here? There does appear to be more. But wait, there's more. You get a bag for carrying your DJI OM5. So let's go ahead, we'll stick this together real quick so you can see it. This will pop out. Just take the clip and we'll put it on my phone. And Shala. Should we dare to even power it up? And there he goes. And let's not forget to check out the old selfie stick. There you go, that's full extension right there. Not very far, just enough to give you a little more distance from your camera. So we'll see how cool that is. I don't know all the different modes yet, so I don't know how to flip it. But that's your first look and first impression and unboxing of the DJI OM5 smartphone gimbal.